Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today. Recently, the center decided to drop one of Mahatma Gandhi's favorite hymn, that is Abide by Me, from this year's beating retreat ceremony, as playing more Indian tunes would be appropriate in the view of Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav, which celebrates the 75th year of India's independence. Abide with Me, written by Scottish Anglican poet and hymnologist Henry Francis Late in 1847, had been part of the beating retreat ceremony since 1950. For this year's ceremony, the hymn had been replaced by the popular patriotic song, that is Mere Watan Ke Logon, which was written by Kavi Pradeep to commemorate the supreme sacrifice made by the Indian soldiers during the 1962 Indo-China War. Mere Watan Ke Logon is an Indian tune and pays respect to all who laid their life for the safety and integrity of the nation. The move to drop the hymn from this year's ceremony came days after the center's decision to merge the Amar Jawan Jyoti flame at the India Gate with the eternal flame of the National Wall Memorial. Now we will understand what is a beating retreat ceremony. Beating retreat is a centuries-old military tradition dating from the days when troops disengaged from the battle at the sunset. Beating retreats mark the end of nearly week-long festivities of Republic Day, which used to begin on January 24. But this year, the celebration started on January 23, the birth anniversary of Neta Ji Bose. Ahead of Bose's 125th birth anniversary, Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently unveiled a grand statue of the iconic freedom fighter, and the statue will be installed at India Gate as a symbol of India's indebtedness to him. Till the statue made of granite is completed, a hologram statue of his would be present at the same place. So that's all for the update. Thanks for watching.